Rex, come here, honey. What do you got? What do you got? What are you doing? Oh, you crazy doggy. Abandon it, hun. It's too big. Okay, let's go. Bye. Bye, buddy. Bye. It's too big. Careful.
Bring it.
Come on, bud. Let's go.
Bring your little stick, buddy.
Coming?
Are you taking your stick home?
Bye, hun. Bye. Bye. You look gross. Watch out.
We're taking that tree.
He's ditching it. Are you done? Ah, there's a boy.